How are you today, Slick Sam? How are things at beautiful Big Pharma? Things are really great, Dr. Neuro. We have a nifty new medication for MS coming out and it is promised to be a big seller. I mean, it is promised to be very helpful to your poor MS patients. I look forward to seeing the positive effects of the drug, as I have many patients I can bully into taking it. I mean, who need it. How much do I get prescribed again? I mean, how much will it help the poor desperate buggers? The numbers are looking very positive. The stock is rising in value like a rocket. You will do great, Dr. Neuro. Just keep those research projects aimed at killing the CCSVI procedure or creating lots of new drugs and we shall get along very well. Remember, you scratch my back and I'll scratch yours. Do not worry, Slick Sam, my dear Pharma man. I am doing my best to ensure that our studies are fast-tracked and sent to be picked up by your news media as soon as possible. We are doing all we can to plug those holes in the leaking dam. The MS Society is doing a great job of sitting on the fence while discouraging any real acceptance of CCSVI. So good that even some patients are fighting back and supporting us. They are also doing a stupendous job of creating new ridiculous revenue paths to collect donations to their useless club. I mean, to solicit lots of donations and their valuable support of the poor sick MS patients. That's great, Dr. Neuro. We have your back, not to worry. We can't allow anything to stop this gravy train, I mean this mutually beneficial relationship we share. We will do whatever is in our power to keep things running as they have been. As long as you do your part, it will all work out in our collective favor. Trust me. Not to worry, Slick Sam. We have successfully been burying this ridiculous pain in the ass Venus theory for close to 100 years and we are the recognized experts of this MS mystery. No one is going to challenge us that has any real credibility. I will stake my reputation on that. In fact, I already have. We have a network of highly recognized neurologists that are brilliantly exposing the CCSVI advocates for the desperate and hysterical sick people that they are. Hopefully, Joe Public and our puppet politicians will continue to buy this representation of our poor, sick and pathetic patients for what they really are and help us put this dangerous CCSVI talk back in the closet where it belongs. Then we can get on with the business at hand and continue flogging our as yet unproven immune theory. After all, it has proven to be the most profitable, I mean probable, hasn't it? I mean the most likely working theory we have been using our entire careers. Alright then, Dr. Neuro. You and your neurology network ought to keep up the good work. I must remind you to continue to apply pressure to members of the College of Physicians and Surgeons also. We must continue to discredit that blasted Zamboni, and anyone who aligns themselves with him is to be punished or reminded of their position. In addition, I must impress upon you the continued necessity to minimize or distract regarding the deaths from Tysabri and the studies that have shown our beautiful DMDs to be useless at best and possibly deadly. You have done a superb job thus far and I expect this loyalty to continue. I must leave you now and will be in touch if necessary. Let me know if there is anything that I can do for you, and I will do my best to make it happen. Remember, we are a team. Dr. Neuro and society recognizes us as professionals who care, and we cannot have that precious perception shattered. For both our sakes. And I'll dance with the devil to make that happen if I have to.